guys, welcome back to another video from Upstairs Garage. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you don't miss out any more on the E46 M3. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the interior. We're going to knock it all out, make sure it's all clean, nice and ready to go. That way we can continue working on the front end. But before we do that, I'm going to actually go to the shop, and these fender badges right here, I did decide to go with gloss black. So I'm going to go spray them in real quick and then head right back and do the interior. So we're at the shop and we just got these little vent pieces sprayed in. Well, yesterday actually. But let's lock them back into place and check out how this gloss black trim looks. It looks good. We're going to let this dry in the sun. And now I'm thinking about doing the diamond badge gloss black because this is flat black right now and it's going to match the theme if it's all gloss black. So probably I'm gonna bring it in and shoot it up real quick. While sanding them down, I kind of burnt the edges through. So I'm gonna have to shoot a coat or two of paint and then clear coat them to give them that shiny gloss black finish. All right, so we got them back and check this out. I'm not gonna click them in just yet. Looks way better because the front grills are gloss black. Now the side badges are gloss black. And these letters are now gloss black, which I'm gonna install a little later on the trunk, maybe next video, because I wanna give it some more time to cure. That way, if these ever have to come off, the paint won't peel up. And check it out, I'm gonna be installing our door cards, pretty much all these plastics, these seatbelt covers, door cards over there, and try to finish up the interior as best as I can. And in a separate video, I'm gonna be doing the sound system, a new infotainment system. There it goes. All right, so let's continue with this little rocker molding plastic piece and then keep going. Dang, that already looks so freaking crazy. M3, this plastic's on. Now let's move on and try to get this seatbelt cover on. So I got that over there, installed that seatbelt thing, and over there in that corner as well as this side. Now it's time to put this seat in. So let's vacuum it up, clean it up, and toss our seat in. All right, we vacuumed up this section, and it's a bunch of, like, as you can see, like sound deadening material, and just comes right apart. So we're gonna leave it right there, not gonna touch it too much. I got the seat right behind me, and you can see that thing has seen better days. So let's give it a little proper detail before we install it. That way it's nice and clean, because this thing's been laying around the shop for what, 4 months now. So let's clean it up a little bit. And check this out, rear seat is in. Obviously it still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but I mean, dang man, this lighting kind of sucks too. It's not exposed in the sun. It almost looks like that tan, but it's the peanut butter. Let's see, I mean, that's it right there. But let's do the other side door right there. That way the interior could be pretty much put together. Start off with this piece real quick. There it goes. Guys, check this out. It freaking looks insane with the shift boot. I don't know if it's real or fake Alcantara, but it does look good with the M stitching right there, as well as this e-brake boot. I'm probably gonna have to replace this, and as well as the steering wheel because it's really worn out. But this interior looks amazing. I cleaned it up a tiny bit just for now, so it looks good. All right, guys, I'm super happy with the interior. It looks freaking amazing. I don't know, it just freaking makes me really happy to see this car finally coming along together. But we are going to Road Atlanta for the Weekend 4 Formula Drift. So I'm gonna catch y'all guys there, and I'm gonna record some clips and videos for you guys to see. It's pretty sick, and I'm super excited. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're at Road Atlanta, and I'm about to show y'all guys some drifting. It's gonna be insane.
When he's at pace, he is definitely hitting too aggressive with that. Oh boy, that was that. Yeah, I mean,
that was crazy.
The spot was in his ear, but that could have been really bad. And that was the exact same location. So Jared's having a lot of trouble going. Just here, another into a backflip here if he advances on. And Cole Richards leads as well. There's that outside zone 5 there. Cole Richards flexing this. A good job. He's going to reel it in. That is strategy. Cody begins it. Good buddy. Cody almost in the You can see like this is scenario is like I've got the power. Let me cook. As a sneaky great placement, very smooth, dialed in.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Roby chasing down James, giving down. Super now into that outside zone. Into that zone,
Alright guys, editing this video, I realized I didn't make a proper outro for the video. We had a lot going on this weekend, it was pretty hectic. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like it down below, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That's where you can see behind the scenes, and before the video comes out, I post sneak peeks on there. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.